Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Samsung Galaxy XCover 4 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both devices, then tap on the search and download the application the name Clone It. This is the application that you are going to use to transfer data. I have it on the both smartphones and right now I'm gonna open it. Right now click Sender on your XCover 4 and Receiver on your older smartphone. Then tap on this Android tray icon and we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password manually right here. So choose your favorite. I will just grab the phone and scan the QR code because it's just the fastest way to connect. Accept the request on your XCover, and if you want to send everything, just select all of these icons, then click on Start. If you get this notification, you have to click on the Cancel. In my case, I'm going for the details right here because this is the only example. So I will probably go for the photo. I will take these two photos, so click on Start, OK, and it's finished. It's a really easy way how to fast transfer data from the XCover 4 to other Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.